I decided last minute I'm going to do a pricing video for you that's going to talk to you about the way you move forward in presenting your prices. I realize that a lot of people have issues with that and they're somewhat in the dark and they don't know how to present themselves. Number one, whether you do photo, whether you do video or makeup or hair or what have you, you have to make them a hero. Who signs the check? Who said, yes, let's hire her? This person has to get pats on the backs and like high fives and whatever else we do. Hey, good job in hiring this person. You have to make them feel like such a hero and look like such a hero that they would be absolutely foolish to go and call somebody else the next time. You help them look like a hero. They won. They want to continuously win. They love the feeling of what it's like to win. And you're going to win as a byproduct of that. Don't serve yourself first, serve them. Let's talk about point number two. Make yourself low risk. And it goes really, really hand in hand with like the first part. When you have a portfolio that has headshots, and then you have weddings, and then you have some food, and you have some documentary work, and you have some fashion, you have some automotive, and you have some astrophotography, you are now high risk. I'm not saying don't photograph those things. I'm not even saying don't take money for jobs for those things, but present yourself as somebody who is the sure thing. There is a movement online where people saying, don't niche down. No, offer everything. No, don't listen to that. You niche down because people who are masters in what they do get to charge what they want. When you are the person who offers 20 different wedding styles, you cannot charge that. You are high risk for that client. Going back to point number one, it's high risk for them to hire you because the chances of them looking like a hero gets less and less and less. Are the images going to look super black and white and grainy? Are they going to look really polished? Are they going to look kind of ethereal like this? Are they going to look like what? Like a fairy tale? Because you have all these different styles on your website. Think of it from their point of view. Oh my God, I'm going to spin the wheel and let's see what we get. It's photography roulette and it's not fun and they don't want to put themselves at risk. Nobody wants to put their job or their relationships at risk for a photographer, even if they are cheap. They really, really don't. Not the kind of clients you want. A lot of people for special events, for weddings and families and babies and corporate, etc., their business, they're going to want to pay a little bit more, and you have to believe that they're going to want to pay you more. If you are the expert in something, that's because you niche down. So don't listen to those people that tell you not to niche down. Point number three, make them the salesperson. Don't be the salesperson yourself. I hate sales. I think you do too if you watch this channel. And if you're an artist, you probably hate sales. But make them the salesperson. You can do that by having a portfolio that is niche down. You can do that by making them look like a hero or somebody that they know and they recommended you. So if you structure your pricing package the right way, where they do the sales for you, you're going to sell endlessly. I'm going to give you a bonus one. Don't ever sell. Offer solutions. When you offer solutions, they in turn get enlisted as your salespeople and they're happy to get you hired because you made them look like a hero, because you are low risk and they're going to win with you, because your package makes so much sense that they're going to sell their spouse or their boss or their coworkers on you. And the fourth one, how do you know when you have the perfect package? When the consumer base complains, but they still purchase. It'll always adjust. And for the rest of your career, for the rest of your business, you're chasing that because everything in life is a variable.